While you remove that, what we're going to do is we had a scammer call up Pablo, which Pablo was our guest on last week, who was Pablo Gomez, the driver that helped break the story when it came to the whole Prop 22 stuff. He had a scammer reach out to him. And then we're going to go into another support scam when it came to it. So here, this is something that we're going to play. It's a few minutes long of the video. But basically what you want to do is you just want to be aware that this is a scam. This isn't real. And this is what it's going to sound like. It's going to be very similar across all of the different types of support scams like this, whether it's Uber Eats, Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Grubhub, any of them. This is kind of what it's going to be like. So here you go.
Hello.
Lyft customer support. Am I speaking with Pablo?
Yeah, this is Pablo. How can I help you?
How you doing, Pablo? My name is Anthony Smith. We're calling you on a recorded line from Lyft support. How you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic, Anthony.
Yes, Pablo, we apologize for disturbing you, sir. This ride with Romario for the LAX is not a real trip, okay?
Really?
Romario is not a real customer.
Okay.
What's happening today, Pablo? We recently received a complaint on your Lyft account stating when you were at a recent pickup, you did not match your profile picture, sir.
I know my picture looks like it's like a 7-year-old picture, so I'm a lot grayer now than before. So I get that complaint a lot. I need to fix that.
Yes. Now, Pedro,
how do I, Pablo, by the way, how do I fix that?
Yes, Pablo, we do have you working with us for over 7 years. We're going to have you update your photo so we can remove the complaint right now.
Okay.
You are going to be paid for this airport trip. Okay. We are going to make sure that you are paid.
Okay.
We need for you to do so. We need for you to just safely find a parking spot. Okay.
Okay. I pulled over. I don't text and drive or talk and drive. So.
Wonderful, sir. So we sent you out a 6-digit code from our Lyft verification system, sir. Did you receive our 6-digit code?
Oh yeah. I didn't notice come in.
What's the 6-digit code, sir?
It's 654 883.
654 883.
Yeah.
Okay. Give us 1 minute because our system didn't recognize that. Okay. So just give us 1 minute. And Pedro, while you wait for our system, sir, how do you like working with Lyft, sir?
Oh, I think Lyft is the best invention ever.
Do you have any complaints with us?
Pardon me?
Do you have any complaints?
Oh, yeah, just the usual, the pay sometimes is not as much as we would like, but, it is what it is. You just keep grinding.
We sent you out another 6-digit code, sir. What's the 6-digit code we sent you?
It is the same one I just gave you.
No. We sent you a new one, sir.
Okay. I mean, it looks. Well, hold on. Send it again, because I'm telling you, it's the same one.
Don't worry, we're gonna send it out again, okay?
All right. Okay, here it is. 953 743.
Yeah, I was incorrect as well.
Well, I mean, you have my account. You should have all that information anyway. What are you trying to accomplish here?
You to confirm the 6-digit code that we just texted you.
Well, I gave you the code that they sent me, so.
No, that code is incorrect, sir.
Send it again, I guess.
Give us a minute, okay?
I'm telling you, it's the same one. It keeps coming in, the same one.
You said the same one keeps coming in, sir?
Yeah.
And what's that? And what's the same one keeps coming in, sir? What's the numbers?
It is Go fuck yourself, you piece of shit scammer. You're not gonna get me, you fucking dumbass. Fuck you, asshole. You fucking stop this shit, all right? Fucking stop it. Don't fucking do this to other drivers, you piece of shit. Hello?
Yeah, so this is Pablo.
Yes?
Yeah, so this is Terrell Adams calling back from Lyft support. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing good, and yourself?
I'm doing good. I'm just calling back to process over that bonus now, okay? We'll see in our system. I'll be quicker now, okay?
Okay.
All right, sir. So we sent you over another 6-digit code over to your number. Do you mind confirming that code?
Three, 4, 5, 1, 2, 8.
Okay, 345128.
Yep.
All right, sir. That is confirmed once again. Like I said, that bonus is now going to be processed onto your account in 30 minutes, okay?
Perfect. Thank you.
All right, sir. Have a nice night.
All right. So that was two phone calls actually. But yeah, that's been hitting up LAX a little bit, and it happens unfortunately in a lot of places. So this is something to watch out for. It'll be quite a few different ways, but basically what they're trying to do is get a code so they can get into your account and then try to drain your money.
Yeah.
But
I mean,
what happens when
no, I mean, in his case, obviously he knew, and
Yep.
he didn't fall for it, and he turned a little Joe Pesci on the guy at the
Yeah.
end. And I'm like, yeah,
I mean, it
justified.
actually went longer. I had to trim that out because
Yeah.
there was a lot of thing. It would have probably demonetized the entire
probably.
stream.
But you know what?
I left part of it in.
Yeah, I mean, Pablo is our Spanish content creator now and super experienced driver, part of the Prop 22 investigation. So he knows his stuff. He didn't fall for it. However, this is happening quite often. So this is the trick, people. This is what they're doing. They're ordering the trip. You're getting the trip. While you're on the trip, you're getting a text message within the app, or there will be a text message in the app saying that you're picking up my grandma, you're picking up my grandpa. They don't speak English. They're going to be here. Please go there. Okay. Once they send you that as a customer in the app and you text back saying, yes, I got the message. Don't worry, whatever. Now they have your phone number. That's how they're getting your phone number. Once they get your phone number, that's when they're calling you back. The trip is being canceled at that time. And then that's when they're calling you back on your own phone. And then the game is on. If you give them the information, you're dead meat. They're going to empty your bank account. And both of these, by the way, sounded like, good English. It didn't sound like, coming from overseas, but anything is possible. I'm not going to guess anything about that. However, there was a driver, that's Pablo's friend at LAX. He fell for it, Chris. He definitely fell for it. And once he fell for it, gave him the information to the scammer. He went to sleep, he didn't think of much of anything. Scammer got into the account. Fortunately, the driver's name is Jose. We'll see the screenshots in a minute. His name is Jose. Yeah, Jose. Jose Alfredo. The scammer got into his account. Fortunately for Jose, he had a banking account problem or some sort of tax issue that he had to handle. Basically, the scammer could not get in and change all the banking info to their own ATM to empty the account, right? But now they are in Jose Alfredo's account. So as you guys can see here, this conversation that's taking place, the one from Lyft support says, "Hi, Jose Alfredo. Thank you for being a platinum driver." So that's Lyft support. Guess who? Playing Jose Alfredo here? The scammer. The scammer is literally, texting back and forth, so chatting, online chat with Lyft support and complaining, saying that, how come I cannot change the account information? I need to get this money out. When am I going to get this money out? And luck of all lucks, the driver had a problem with his bank account, so they couldn't get the money. And the scammer, is tasting some of the medicine here of Lyft chat, switching switching support people on him, just like you guys see here. So yeah, and they couldn't get the money. Luckily, this was luck, but the driver fell for it. So if you ever get a trip at LAX or any other airport, and you get a text message saying that you're picking up my handicapped grandma or grandpa or dad or doesn't speak English and this and that, do not respond. Just go to the spot. If the person is there, is there. If you do respond with a text message, they have your phone number, and then you will get a call, and then the game is on. So in this case, Jose Alfredo's case, he woke up the next morning, he saw all this chat because he's not the one chatting with Lyft support, and he sent it to us, and thank you. And I mean, I could understand how the scammer was frustrated, Chris.
Well, too bad, so sad. Don't let those scammers anywhere near you. And unfortunately, like I said, it's become a real problem when it comes to that. You might even get a support message trying to get your phone number through the text message saying like, oh, you're taking a VIP person, or this isn't a real ride. You need to cancel this ride, or anything like that. That's the other aspect of it. So here's the thing. When it comes to Uber or Lyft trying to contact you, they're going to do it in multiple ways. It's not just one way. It's going to be multiple. If they call you, and sometimes they do, yes, they do. It's very rare when it does happen, but it's also going to be followed up with an email and also an in-app notification. So then it's directly coming from Lyft or Uber. And then that way you can take those matters. But if you're out driving, they're not going to be calling you for any real reason, unless you literally just put in a health and safety report or something like that. That could be where they're going to contact you very quickly. When I had to put my safety report in, literally within a couple of minutes, I was getting a call from Uber. So they will call, and they can call quick, but it just depends on what's going on in the circumstances. So just be smart, pay attention to what's going on. Never give out any personal information. And, every once in a while, they do put out little emails and reminders that say, don't fall for these. These are some common scams. So we're just reiterating, because we had the actual phone conversation that Pablo sent us, and then also what Jose had sent us with the text messages. So again, just be very smart out there. Pay attention to what's going on. Just be hyper vigilant when it comes to these things. And then also spread that awareness to other people, other drivers, other people in your life. So then that way you don't have to worry about it. And if you get a random code on your phone and you didn't actually send for it, and somebody's trying to contact you to get that code, do not give that, because they're trying to do something, whether it's setting up an account, whether it's trying to get into your account, whatever it might be. That's what they're trying to do. So just be very aware out there.
Yep. I agree. I mean, he got lucky. He didn't get hurt, because his bank account either was blocked or something happened with Jose's case. And, our man Pablo turned Joe Pesci on the scammer's ass was, pretty funny. But
a little bit.
Yeah, I was like, I didn't know if we can put that on. But don't fall for any of this bullshit that these guys do. And these guys seem like, because Pablo said there was another phone call right after that he received again, a third one. And, they tried to scam him again, but he didn't go for it. This seems like I bet, Chris, when the accounts are full on drivers' ends, when is it going to be? Like Sunday past midnight, right? Everybody worked the whole weekend. You got the Quest money and all this in, your account's kind of full if you didn't cash out. Or it's going to be like Thursday night probably, where everybody's quests have hit and all that stuff. So, but I don't think there's a time for this. Anybody can get scammed anytime, and just
it's not going to be there. They may try to target certain times, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday nights, or evenings or something like that, just because that's usually busier. But in actuality, it can happen at any time.
Yeah, I agree. So there you go. Don't fall for it. And I thought this was actually a good experience for you guys to listen to an actual scammer call. So,
all right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.